Welcome to our channel. Today, we're sharing comprehensive tips on how to write a research paper. Whether you're a student or a professional, writing a research paper can be a daunting task. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Before you start writing, make sure you thoroughly understand the assignment. Read the instructions carefully and clarify any doubts with your instructor. Know the requirements, such as the topic, length, formatting style, and deadline. This step is crucial to ensure you're on the right track from the beginning. Select a topic that interests you and fits the assignment guidelines. Make sure it's neither too broad nor too narrow. Conduct preliminary research to see if there's enough information available on the topic. Consider the relevance and scope of your topic to ensure it's manageable and significant. Gather information from credible sources such as books, academic journals, and reputable websites. Take detailed notes and organize them by themes or subtopics. Keep track of your sources for citation purposes. Use library databases, online academic journals, and books to find relevant material. Evaluate sources for credibility, relevance, and bias. An outline helps organize your thoughts and structure your paper. Start with an introduction that includes your thesis statement. Then, outline the main points you want to cover in the body paragraphs, and end with a conclusion that summarizes your findings. An outline serves as a roadmap for your paper, making the writing process more efficient. Break down each section into smaller points to ensure a detailed structure. Begin with a hook to grab the reader's attention. Provide some background information on your topic, and present your thesis statement. Your introduction should give a clear idea of what to expect in the paper. Include the importance of the topic and your objectives. Keep it concise but informative. The body of your paper should be divided into sections, each focusing on a single main point. Start each paragraph with a topic sentence, provide evidence and examples to support your arguments, and analyze the information presented. Use transitions between paragraphs to ensure a smooth flow. Each section should build on the previous one to develop your argument logically. Summarize your main points and restate your thesis in a new way. Discuss the implications of your findings and suggest areas for further research. Avoid introducing new information in the conclusion. Your conclusion should provide a sense of closure and reinforce the significance of your study. Review your first draft and make necessary revisions. Check for clarity, coherence, and logical flow. Ensure that each paragraph transitions smoothly to the next. Pay attention to grammar, punctuation, and spelling errors. Consider seeking feedback from peers or instructors. Revising is a critical step to refine your paper and improve its overall quality. Read your paper aloud to catch any awkward phrasing or overlooked mistakes. Follow the required formatting style, such as APA, MLA, or Chicago. Ensure your paper includes a title page, headers, page numbers, and proper citations. Properly format in-text citations and the bibliography or works cited page. Using a citation management tool can help keep track of your sources and format them correctly. Double-check all citations for accuracy and completeness. Before submitting your paper, do a final review. Check for any remaining errors or inconsistencies. Make sure all sources are properly cited and the formatting meets the assignment requirements. Ensure your paper is clear, concise, and free of errors. Read your paper one last time to ensure it flows well and covers all necessary points. Writing a research paper involves several detailed steps. Understanding the assignment, choosing a topic, conducting research, creating an outline, writing the introduction, body, and conclusion, revising and editing, formatting, and doing a final review. By following these steps, you can produce a well-structured and polished research paper. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your research paper.